Welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I'm going to start a short series of videos looking at some of the settings on the X-T3 and I'm going to do them in short videos, just concentrating on one specific section. I've watched a lot of videos on the settings on X-T2s and X-T1s where by the time you get at the end of the video you actually forgot everything apart from the last bit. So this first video I'm going to concentrate on the autofocus custom settings in video and we'll just see what they do. Let's get into it. Movie settings, then go to page 3, AFC custom settings, and what we're going to look at is the tracking sensitivity and the AF speed and what they actually do. So we will start with the tracking sensitivity. The AF tracking sensitivity I think is actually named incorrectly. It should be locking on, because basically what you're adjusting is you're telling the camera how long to wait before it responds to something in its autofocus square. So at the moment it's looking at me. Say we were doing a product review on a lens and I want to show the lens close up and I put it in the square. It's how long it waits before it notices there's something in the square. So the default setting is this, so that hits the square. Right. That's how long it takes to wait. So if we set it to its slowest, so in its slowest setting, which is 4, it's going to wait the longest before it actually spots it. So it's waiting quite a while before it actually moves. Not ideal for a product review, but if you're tracking, say, your dog running around a field and it went behind a rubbish bin or something, it wouldn't instantly snap onto that rubbish bin as it went by and then try and find the dog afterwards. Or another instance where I think it'd be useful is if you were filming a subject across the road, you've got their face in focus and a bus goes by, the camera won't snap onto the bus and then have to snap back to the actual subject. It'll actually ignore the bus will go through out of focus and your subject will still be in focus. So now let's put it to its fastest. Now it's on its fastest, which I think is more useful for product reviews. So now it quickly snaps. It knows it's there, comes straight back to you. It's there. Comes straight back to you. So for product reviews, or something where you're going to put something into the view of it, very quick. Also, if you were doing, say, an interview or some kind of documentary where you're interviewing somebody and someone pops in to say some words and pops back out, it quickly goes to them. So that's the tracking. I call it locking on, because it's locked straight on. So for product views, fast. For things where you are tracking something or something something's going to go in front of the lens and you don't want it to lock onto that, I would go slower. So the next setting on that list is AF speed. And this is where you're actually telling the camera, okay, you've spotted that something's in your focus square. How long are you going to take to rack from your original focus to this new focus? So at the moment it's at default, so it's snapping reasonably quick. So we'll put it to its slowest. So we've got the AF speed on its slowest. So it's going to notice that there's something there, but it's going to take a while to move from one to the other. Again, in the scenario of product review, probably not the best. But if you were doing a film or something more artistic, where you want it to rack focus, basically mimic a manual focus, pulled focus, so gradual, go from one to the other, then have it on its slowest, and put it on its fastest. So this is its fastest. So we've got it on fast tracking, so it's going to notice the item's going to is there in its square quickly, and it's going to focus on it as quick as it can. So it's basically going to snap. This would be perfect for our product review. I've got a lens I'm showing you. I want to show it. I want it to snap to it quickly, and I want it to snap back to me. So there's no racking really. It's just instantly getting from one to the other. Whereas on the slower side of it, it's just going to rack. So it's more of a focus pull. But I think these two settings are the most important in the video autofocus settings. You've got to think, what are you filming? What do you require? Do you need it to snap into focus quickly? Do you need it to rack slowly? Do you need it to ignore things coming in front of the lens? If you think how you're actually filming that actual shot and then adjust those parameters, you can get it to work exactly how you need it. Product reviews, fast. Documentaries or just your kids running around a field or chasing your dog, you can have it to snap, actually get to focus quick from one to the other. But you can have the tracking slower, so it ignores something coming in front of it. So that's the AFC setting, custom settings for video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos from the channel, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications when new videos come. Next video we'll be doing is the autofocus area settings in video. See you later.